See that black pipe? Charlene, just point right to that. There's Vanna pointing. that black pipe coming up, that's going to be the gas for the stove. So pipes have different colors too. So that gas for the stove, see that little valve, and you may not be able to see it back here, but you can walk around after. There's a little red valve there. So even after they put the gas stove in, there's going to be a valve for a safety shutoff. So not the builders in the room or those, but anybody that maybe take a guess. When you've got a pipe like that, like it's right now, if you've got a pipe and the valve is perpendicular to the pipe, is that the gas on or off? Thank you, that's off. Inline is on, this way is off. So this goes even when you see a finished home, you see a fireplace or something like that. If you see a gas line with those black lines and the little valve is in line, it's on. Perpendicular, it's off. If you ever need to shut one off, go this way.